April 12, 2024. The top XRP gold and silver bullion insider on YouTube, renowned for his truth and integrity, is uncovering a once-in-a-lifetime silver bull market, offering a chance at generational wealth transfer through commodities despite organized criminal efforts to manipulate retail investors. Staying ahead and spreading truth is vital amid hyperinflation. Subscribe below and join the Jabroni Killer membership for exclusive content. Thank you for joining the Jabroni Killer membership and supporting the truth in the financial world. Together we can navigate the complex world of commodities and investments with honesty and integrity. Let's empower each other to make informed decisions and secure our financial futures. Remember, knowledge is power, and together we can achieve financial success. Thank you for being a part of this incredible journey towards financial independence and wealth creation. Let's continue to uncover hidden opportunities and pave the way for a brighter financial future.
VINCENZO'S Gold Crypto Investing. Good 12th day of April of 2024. After a once-in-a-generation stealth bull market in silver bullion, continues right out from underneath our very noses, and not many people are knowing about it except old VINCENZO'S Gold Crypto Investing followers. Bell notification, comment down below, subscribe and share to get that truth and information you need to fleece, heist, and shice the criminal gangsters, the market manipulators that have infiltrated the United States government, Federal Reserve, and world banking systems, knock down and beat down the retail trader and investor on this gloomy, low overcast, dreary, drizzly, foggy, and rainy, seasonably nice, 45 degrees in the greater Bloomington metropolitan area in central Illinois. And that once in a century, once in 100-year generational wealth transfer in the silver market bullion and gold bullion, as gold is at an all-time high bullion-wise, and silver is on a fantastic hyper pump now, and not many people are knowing about it because it's up $10 a share in just a short amount of time, and it's about to breach a major overhead resistance of $30 and change, and the mining stocks, the mining sector are exploding, and this is coming up to $32.44 very, very quickly, which is major overhead resistance. You can see we've broken out of major resistance in this trading area that we've been in ever since the COVID blow off top. Back here on a local pump that broke out of our handle from our 4-decade-long company handle from 1980, stemming from the hyper pump in the 1970s, from the horrible monetary policies in the 70s that culminated into hyperinflation, where the dollar nearly lost its purchasing power, and we nearly lost it all, and Ronald Reagan and Paul Volcker had to save it, right? And then we had that pump back here, and then a nice consolidation, and now we're about to breach that, and our next major resistance point is a few more percent up at $32 and change. And because of that, gold is at all-time highs and just got about 2 or 3 cents away from the first ever $2,400 per ounce USD gold price, bullion price, right? It came within a couple of pennies of breaching $2,400 for the first time in gold bullion history, as it's a no-win situation for the Fed, for investors, for people that are getting beaten down by inflation. Because if the Fed, the dirty secret now is the Fed can't lower rates for a little while because inflation is running hotter than expected. That's very bullish for gold because inflation pushes the price of gold up naturally, right? And then if the Fed says inflation is getting better, so we're going to lower rates, that's very bullish and ultimately bullish for gold because that devalues the dollar, which pumps the price of gold bullion up, right? So whether they raise rates or don't raise rates, it's bullish for gold now, because if they don't raise, it's because of hot inflation, and if they do lower, it's very bullish because that means they're going to start money printing again. And in this update here, as you can see, the B2 Gold, where we have 1,700 shares, and we picked up a couple of hundred more the other day, it's up 2%. It's still very, very cheap, though, as you can see over the last 5 years. And B2 Gold, it's been in a long consolidation since the COVID pump, and it's sitting down better than 70% from its all-time high. And I think B2 Gold is a gold company that could be, in best case scenario, in some of these gold companies, even the silver companies that I'm showing you, They could turn into a Mr. Copper I'll show you another gold company where they're sitting at $5, $4, $6, but they're major mining companies, big bullion providers. The price is just low, like Kinross Gold, that's still sitting down very, very cheap, and it just broke bullish above a major traded area, but it's still way below the $11, $12 high that happened during the COVID, right? But this could be these gold companies, like Fortuna Silver, First Majestic Silver, and Pan America Silver. They could do some stuff like, I thought I kept it on here. It was New Gold, or damn it, because it got way up there. I forgot what it is. I'll pull it up on the next video. I was like, I forgot what it was, but it was a phenomenal mine that went ballistic over the last couple of years. I forgot what it's called. I thought I saved it in here, but it's up to $125 per share, and it started out at about $1.80 per share, and then was at $4, $5, $8, $9 for a while. But it's similar to Mr. Copper, and that's some of the things that we're looking at that could be taking place. The same thing as Barrick Gold. It's very, very cheap right now, and I think Barrick Gold could skyrocket, right? The same thing with the rest of these mining companies that we have. The Metal Royalty, Fortuna Silver, AG, Pan American Silver, Kinross Gold. I think these companies are going to have a phenomenal pump, and you can see just recently Pan American Silver in the daily time frame that's had a very, very nice pump from a regional low where it actually got all the way down to $12, and now we're sitting at $20 again. And this was not too long ago sitting at $40 a share. So a 1x move from where it's at now, and I believe that could happen very, very quickly. Fortuna Silver's already had a 50% move, and it's still a 1x move away from its COVID high, and I think that could happen in a very, very short amount of time. Metal Royalties is threatening to break out of a falling channel, and that could have an upper target of around $7.69, or greater than a 1x move from here to just have a nice consolidation back to the upside. This is very bullish news. It's going to be very interesting to see if these massive rallies overnight can hold its gains, and we can't get on to another leg to the upside, breach $30 in silver, get on top of $2,400 in gold, hold it at the close, and look very, very bullish heading into the summertime season. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love.